Good morning. My name is Ruth Esmeralda Anak Anthony, metric number BADL 1905539. The title of my research proposal is Impact of Bengoh Roller Compacted Concrete Dam to the Reservoir Water Quality. The content of this research proposal would be the introduction, the literature reviews, materials and method, expected outcomes, and the references. Introduction. The background of study. Bengoh Roller Compacted Concrete or RCC Dam is located 40 km south of Kuching, Sarawak. The main purpose of this Bengoh RCC Dam is as a water supply to the Kuching citizen until the year 2030. The water supply in Kuching is obtained by collecting water from Sarawak Kiri River and it undergoes treatment at Batu Kitang Treatment Plant before it was distributed. Problem statements. The main purpose of the Bengoh RCC Dam is as a water supply. However, it was just completed in the year 2012. And even though the Kuching Water Board regularly tested the water quality, there is no further scientific research done to ensure that the reservoir water is completely safe to be consumed and used by Kuching citizens, as there used to be a village located nearby but is unfortunately submerged when the dam started to be filled with water. This concerns us because without any further research done on the impact, we cannot guarantee the safety of the water. The significance of study of this research proposal. This study will benefit the society by ensuring that there is no side effect from using the water as daily use or consume. Contaminated water can bring a lot of health problems to us such as diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, typhoid and polio. If used externally, contaminated water can even cause skin irritation. In fact, since the day the completion of the dam in the year 2012, it was never scientifically tested for its water quality index value. The research will be carried out to assess and determine the water quality index, and the result will be used to determine if it's up to standard to be distributed or not. The objective of this research is to assess the water quality index of the Bengoh RCC Dam and determine the class of the reservoir water based on the water quality index, and if it is safe to be distributed or not based on the class. Literature reviews. Background of study. Roller compacted concrete dam. Roller compacted concrete dam or RCC in short is a special dry concrete that has zero slump and is made from the same constituent as an ordinary, but roller compacted concrete dam has lower cement contents compared to a concrete. RCC is usually compacted like a soil, making it very sturdy. RCC is mainly construction of big structures such as dams or any large horizontal surface like highway foundation. The low cement content causes it to reduces the development of temperature in the mass concrete and reduces thermal stress. RCC is also expensive and is one of the fastest method to use concrete construction and repair. With dams, RCC can be used to repair damaged overflow structures, to protect embankment of dams during overtopping, and to raise the crest of the dam. It can also be used to increase the strength of the dam, making it more sturdy. Water quality quality index parameter. Dissolved oxygen. Dissolved oxygen is measured to find out oxygen gas that dissolves the bodies. Dissolved oxygen is very important to every organism. If there is a lack of dissolved oxygen in the body, it will affect the health of the organisms. Not only that, DO can also be used as a pollution indicator. Next is biochemical oxygen demand, BOD. Is the amount of oxygen needed by bacteria to degrade, oxidize, and organic materials. Usually 5-day is used as a standard to measure the oxygen consumed by an organism. The level of BOD in polluted is supposed to be high, while in non level of BOD should be chemical oxygen demand. COD is the oxygen gas required for chemical reaction to oxidize and chemically, and the byproduct of this reaction will be carbon dioxide plus water. The level of COD will show the strength of the organisms and also the pollution that is happening. This, if the value of COD is high, gets that is polluted because it contains a lot of organic materials. Usually, the value of COD is bigger than the amount of D. Organic material compose completely, while BOD, the organic material decompose partially. Ammonium nitrogen. Ammonia nitrogen is one of the parameters that can be used as a water pollution indicator. This is because wastewater contains high nitrogen. High amount of ammonium nitrogen is very harmful to organisms. Normally, unpolluted less than 0.1 milligram per liter. Yeah. Materials and method 3.1 Sampling site. Bengoh Dam is 63 meter high and 267 meter long. The Bengoh RCC Dam is located 40 kilometers south of Kuching. The dam was completed at the year 2012, and the main purpose of the dam is as a water supply for Kuching citizens. These are the pictures of the Bengoh RCC Dam. Materials that will be used in this research will be sample, YSI parameter, box filled ice to contain the water temperature, and sample to collect sample. The method of this research will first we will collect sample using 10 torn sample at different depth, which is 20 meter, and also the water sample kept in sample bottle, and this sample bottle will be kept in filled ice to maintain their temperature. The water quality will be measured using YSI parameter, and this experiment did 3 times at those different depths. The expected outcomes of this research. The research, we are expecting the result of the water quality index of reservoir water at either class 2 or 3, as it will be safe consumption and daily use without causing any side effect of the water treatment process at the 2 kitchen treatment. Based on the water parameter, the level of dissolved oxygen is likely standard because the water is not circulated, and the level of nitrogen in the reservoir is also because if just around, it will not affect the quality of the reservoir as they will wipe out each other. References. These were the references that I used to refer to research proposal presentation. Good morning. My name is Ruth Esmeralda Anak Anthony, metric number BADL 1905539. The title of my research proposal is Impact of Bengoh Roller Compacted Concrete Dam to the Reservoir Water Quality.